Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about difference between LLP and partnership. So LLP is a form of partnership where the liability of partners is limited as well as any partner will not be held liable for the act of partners. So we can look the difference between LLP and partnership. The following points are vital so far as the difference between partnership and limited liability partnership LLP is concerned. The partnership is defined as an association of persons joined for earning profits from business, undertaken by all the partners or any one partners on behalf of all the partners. Limited liability partnership (LLP) is a form of business operation which combines the feature of partnership and a body of corporate. The partnership is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. On the contrary, the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 governs LLP in India. The incorporation of the partnership is voluntary, whereas the registration of LLP is obligatory. The document that guide the document that guides the partnership is called partnership deed, as opposed to limited liability partnership. The LLP agreements is a charter document. A partnership firm cannot enter into a contract in its name. On the other hand, the LLP can sue and be sued in its name. A partnership has no separate legal status apart from its partners, as the partners are individually known as a partner and collectively known as a firm, unlike LLP, which is a separate legal entity. The partner's liability is limited to the extent of capital contributed by them. As against this, the partners of a partnership have unlimited liability. Partnership can be started with any name of choice. Conversely, the limited liability partnership must use the word LLP by the end of its name. Any two-person can start a partnership or LLP, but the maximum number of partners in a partnership firm are limited to 100 partners. In contrast, there is no limit of maximum partners in LLP. A limited liability partnership have perpetual succession where a partnership may dissolve anytime. The maintenance and audit of books of account is not mandatory for a partnership as against the LLP is required to maintain the and audit books of account sorry and audit the book of account if turnover and capital contribution were reaches 40 lakh and 25 lakh respectively. The partnership firm cannot hold property in its name. Conversely, the LLP is allowed to hold property in its name. In a partnership, the partners act an agent of the partners and the firm. On the other hand, the partners are agents of partners in the case of LLP. Thank you.